In this video, I am talking about the print function. Let's begin with printing hello world. So the command is print within parentheses the statement. I am typing hello world. Now let's run the program. Now you can see the output hello world. Now suppose we want to print a variable. So I am creating a variable called name equal to John. Now I want to print this variable. So I am going to type within parentheses name of the variable. Now let us run this program. Now you can see the value of variable is printed. Now assume we want to print a statement plus variable. As an example, we are going to print hello John. So I am typing here hello, comma, name of the variable. Now you can see the statement plus value of the variable has been printed. Now I am creating another variable called age. It equals 23. Now I want to print hello John, you are 23 years old. So I am going to type Now let's run this command. Now you can see the output is hello John, you are 23 years old. Now I am going to do the exact same thing using format function. For that, and type again print within commas hello. Now I am putting curly braces to the locations of variables hello, you are, again curly braces for the age, yes, old. Now outside the quotation marks, put a dot, then type format within parentheses variables in the order. In this case, name and age. Name, comma, age. Now I am running this command. So now you can see exact same result. Now let us try a string. Again I am typing print, then type a f, then within quotation marks the statement. Hello. Now we can type the names of variable within the curly braces. Name, you are, within the curly braces age, now I am going to run the command. Now you can see exact same result has been produced. Here I have to put a space. Now you have to remember this command because we are going to use this command in the future videos.